I'm Jonathan Russell. I'm Chief Technology Officer at Science Warehouse. At Science Warehouse, we provide business-to-business spend management solutions. So we sit in the middle of the buyers and suppliers, and it's really important we develop both relationships in parallel because there's a big synergy between the two. Before we joined Rackspace, we had a physical infrastructure. It was hosted in the UK across 2 data centres. It was built on physical servers running a hypervisor with VMware on the top, a big shared storage and a large database backend in a cluster. In terms of supporting that, we didn't have a single point of contact though, so our database services were provided by another partner. So it was sometimes difficult to get that joined up response that you needed when you were working on a project. It was difficult to schedule maintenance and downtime across different providers. We needed to move away from that physical VMware-based environment to support the goals that I had for the business in terms of delivering new products and innovation. We weren't going to be able to do that with the existing infrastructure, and we weren't going to be able to do that with a legacy type platform. So we were very much drawn towards the public cloud services and services like Amazon Web Services. Ultimately, what we've decided to do is move forwards with Rackspace and delivering a hybrid cloud environment. So we have a physical environment. On top of that, we've built the AWS infrastructure as well, and that's also supported by Rackspace using their fanatical support for AWS. We immediately went into a planning process to move away from our previous provider onto Rackspace. And all the way through the migration process, the Rackspace team were incredibly involved. They were really gunning for our success. They were really keen to make it a smooth process for us. We knew exactly what was happening. The communication was good. The level of technical expertise we got throughout the process was very high as well. We executed the migration over a bank holiday weekend, and it all went flawlessly. There was no need for any extended maintenance. There was no additional outage, and there was no need for any escalation and no need for any additional customer comms other than just saying, hey, we finished as we planned. So we were delighted with how it went. We have regular contact with the AWS specialists at Rackspace. They proactively send us information and releases of new products or new services from Amazon. And it's a two-way thing. It's not just about them telling us what's happening in the AWS world. It's about us telling them about our roadmap and what we're trying to do within AWS. The AWS ecosystem is very large. There's a lot of products, there's a lot of services, and it's easy to get confused and not know how to architect something, but the Rackspace team really help us with that. I would recommend Rackspace to other organizations like ours. They have a real breadth of coverage in terms of what they can bring to any company. They would really hit the sweet spot for us in terms of that hybrid cloud model that we're moving towards with our need to embrace AWS while still maintain this strong foundation within a physical managed environment.